Every single day, more than 100,000 flights take off and land around the world. That means thousands of airplanes are flying at the same time. Some of them are crossing oceans, some are flying over crowded cities, and many are heading toward the very same airports. So here's the question. Why don't airplanes crash into each other every day? How can two massive aircraft travel hundreds of kilometers per hour through the same sky without colliding? Is it just because pilots are highly trained? Or is there an invisible system working behind the scenes that most passengers never even notice? Today, we're uncovering the fascinating technology, rules, and people that keep millions of travelers safe every single day. The biggest myth: most people imagine the sky as completely empty. In fact, some airspaces are incredibly crowded. If pilots simply flew wherever they wanted, air travel would become chaotic within minutes. That's why airplanes don't actually have complete freedom. They're following invisible highways in the sky. Invisible highways. Just like cars stay inside lanes on a highway, airplanes follow carefully designed air routes. Every flight receives a specific path before takeoff. Their route is programmed into the aircraft's flight management system before departure. The airplane follows these invisible roads across countries and even oceans. This organized structure alone prevents thousands of potential conflicts every day. The secret is altitude. The answer is altitude separation. Commercial aircraft don't all fly at the same height. Instead, they're assigned different flight levels. This creates vertical separation between aircraft. Even if two planes are directly above one another, they're still separated by thousands of feet. This simple rule dramatically reduces collision risks. Air traffic control. Every commercial flight is constantly monitored by air traffic control, better known as ATC. They monitor hundreds of aircraft at once. Before pilots make almost any significant move, they receive clearance from air traffic control. Want to climb higher? Request permission. Need to change direction? Request permission. Preparing to land? Wait for clearance. This constant communication keeps aircraft organized from takeoff to landing. Radar watches everything. Modern radar systems constantly track aircraft positions. Every airplane carries a transponder. Controllers see all of this displayed on giant screens in real time. If two airplanes begin getting too close, controllers immediately notice. Long before the pilots even realize it, they simply instruct one aircraft to climb, descend, or turn. Problem solved. But modern airplanes don't rely only on controllers anymore. They've learned to protect themselves too. The technology that saves lives. Inside almost every commercial aircraft is an incredible system called TCAS, Traffic Collision Avoidance System. Think of it as an intelligent guardian watching nearby airplanes. TCAS constantly communicates with other aircraft in the area. If another airplane gets too close, the system immediately calculates whether there's any danger. It issues warnings directly to the pilots. Sometimes it even gives exact commands. Climb, descend. Both airplanes receive opposite instructions at exactly the same moment. This technology has prevented countless mid-air collisions around the world. What happens during bad weather? Many people think storms increase collision risks. That's usually not the biggest concern. Modern aircraft carry advanced weather radar. Pilots can detect dangerous storms hundreds of kilometers ahead. Air traffic control also monitors weather continuously. If severe weather blocks the planned route, controllers simply reroute aircraft around it. But maintaining safety always comes first. None of these prevent modern airplanes from knowing exactly where they are. Airports are the busiest places. You've probably seen multiple aircraft waiting nearby. Large airports manage hundreds or even thousands of flights every day, yet collisions remain incredibly rare because airports operate with extremely strict procedures. Only one aircraft is allowed on certain runway sections at specific times. Controllers coordinate every movement. Even the smallest mistake can cause delays, so every instruction is carefully planned. Pilots read back every command to confirm they've heard it correctly. Ocean flights. What about airplanes flying over oceans? There aren't radar towers in the middle of the Atlantic. The answer is satellites. Modern aircraft constantly transmit their position using satellite communication systems. Pilots also report their progress at specific checkpoints. Aircraft crossing oceans maintain larger distances between one another than flights over land. This extra spacing provides an even greater safety margin. Human error still exists. No system is perfect. Pilots are human. Controllers are human. Mistakes can happen. That's exactly why aviation never depends on just one layer of protection. It uses multiple independent safety systems: flight routes, altitude separation, air traffic control, radar, satellite tracking, TCAS, cockpit checklists, pilot training, airport procedures. Each one acts like another safety net. If one layer fails, another is already waiting. This philosophy is known as layered safety. It's one of the biggest reasons commercial aviation has become one of the safest forms of transportation ever created. Why flying is safer than driving? Many people feel nervous during flights. Flying is dramatically safer than driving a car. Cars rely mostly on individual drivers making decisions. Airplanes rely on an entire global network of professionals and intelligent systems working together every second. Every flight is monitored before departure, during flight, and after landing. That's why millions of people safely reach their destinations every single day. Conclusion: the next time you look out of an airplane window, remember, you're not just flying through an empty sky. You're traveling along invisible highways, guided by satellites, protected by radar, watched by controllers, and backed by some of the most advanced safety technology ever created. What seems effortless from your seat is actually the result of decades of engineering, strict international rules, and thousands of professionals working together. That's why, despite thousands of airplanes sharing the sky every single day, they almost never collide. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating aviation stories and the incredible technology behind modern flight, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment with the aviation topic you'd like us to explain next, and we'll see you in the next video.